In this video I want to talk about the compound angle. So I just want to mention four very important trig equations. One of them is sine x plus y, which is gonna be sine x times cosine y plus sine y times cosine x. And we can do the same thing when we have sine x minus y, which is going to be sine x cosine y minus sine y times cosine x. So these two equations are for sines. I can write the compound angle for cosine functions too. Cosine x plus y is going to be cosine x times cosine y minus sine x times sine y. For cosine x minus cosine y, I can write cosine x times cosine y plus sine x sine y. So as you see here, whenever we have plus sign here, it's going to be negative sign, and whenever we have negative sign, it becomes positive sign for the cosine. In the other video I will show you how to find out the second function, the second equation from the first equation, same as here too.